out this morning here with quiet conditions. A nice glow outside too, all thanks to some of that high level smoke that is adding some colors to our sunrise. You can see that sun rising right through that high level haze there. A beautiful view from our KOIN tower cameras in downtown Portland. Right now we're sitting at 61 degrees in the city. Many spots around the Portland metro area also in the low 60s. And that is single layer weather. No need for a jacket out the door. We're going to warm up this morning, upper 60s to low 70s by the later parts of our morning. Near lunchtime will be in the upper 70s. So a nice little warm up here as we head our way into our day. Let's talk about air quality and that wildfire smoke. We are seeing some dense wildfire smoke setting up shop here in eastern Washington. You can see a lot of levels there in the unhealthy category, and this may impact areas in the gorge today. The Dalles out to Pendleton could see some degrading air too, as our winds again will push that smoke towards areas of the gorge. Portland in the good category now will keep more of that high level haze in place and likely won't see too many impacts to our air quality with that haze, but we're going to track that going into the week here. We could see some wind shifts. Right now our high level smoke forecast, this is smoke in the upper levels of the atmosphere, will still filter in here from the south. Those fires burning away in Northern California will push that smoke around the valley and up to Portland as we head our way into the afternoon. So watching out for more hazy conditions heading into today, and by the time we hit tomorrow, we'll see a stronger pulse of some of that smoke, and this may even feed into areas along the Oregon coastline too. So likely hazy out there. Notice out in Washington, not really seeing a break in any of that smoke. And we'll even see some denser smoke around areas of central Oregon and to the gorge as we head our way into the next couple of days. So a hot and hazy pattern setting up here. We're still going to keep a chance for active weather as well. You can see some lightning strikes and isolated storms just off the coast this early morning. Pretty quiet inland though. As we head our way into today, chance we see some severe thunderstorms. Now these storms may have very strong downbursts or gusty outflow winds, which is again unfavorable for fighting wildfires. Those winds may help to spread some of those flames more rapidly. So some of these thunderstorms will pose for more elevated wildfire risk today as they pop up this afternoon. They could also hold some dry lightning too, which could spark some new fires. Let's track those storms heading into today. Here's our rainfall futurecast. As we head our way into the afternoon, right around 2 o'clock or so, we'll start to see some of those storms developing as that heat pairs with our upper level moisture. Notice the direction of these storms will be from the south to the north, but we'll see some of these storms popping even into our evening time. That threat again for central and eastern Oregon. Fairly quiet weather on the west sides of the Cascades. Again, we'll see mostly sunny skies today and dry conditions. However, that haze will be in place around Portland. We'll continue that into Tuesday again, but a chance for some storms back in the mix as we head towards Tuesday afternoon. Same goes for Wednesday as well. We'll still see some storms pushing on through on the east sides of the state. Here's our weather pattern. So in general, we've kept this high pressure ridge in place that keeps the heat right over our area. It keeps us dry, but we see a change here by Thursday and Friday. Finally, this upper level trough starts to roll in. So we are trending cooler now. Late week cooling likely back in the mid to upper 70s even heading into Thursday, Friday, even Saturday. And a slight chance for rain now. This could be our best chance to see more widespread rain around the coast and in Portland than what we've seen over the past 5 to 6 weeks. So good chance now that we do see some rain as we head towards the end of it. However, things can always adjust, so we're going to watch that trend as well. But today, hot and hazy, low 90s in the valley. Towards the coast, we'll see the 70s, a little warmer towards the north parts of the coastline, further down to Lincoln City and southward, likely in the 60s today. The gorge will be hot and hazy as well. That thunderstorm threat continues out in central and eastern Oregon. So here's our 7-day forecast. We'll keep the heat and the haze in place for the first half of the week here. Then we start to cool down. Upper 70s likely on Thursday, then the mid 70s with that rain chance now on Friday. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much. It is 6:49 right now.